Hello everyone, welcome back to English by Pooja Singh. Today there is a great opportunity in Government Women's College Bhavani Patna job vacancy, and that is a walk-in interview for guest faculties. And so here I'll be telling you all the subjects जिसमें आप भर सकते हैं. So name of the post is guest faculty and the subjects are history, home science and political science. और इसका date of interview है is 17th June 2025. For English, Psychology and Odia, the date of interview is 18th June 2025. For education, Sanskrit and geography, the date of interview is 19th June 2025. And for the subjects economics, sociology, anthropology, environmental studies, the date of walk-in interview is on 20th June 2025. And the qualification is minimal. That is, the candidates may attend the aforementioned interview if they have a master's degree in the relevant field with at least 55% of marks. They haven't said for NET, they haven't said for the JRF, they haven't asked for the PhD, but if only your post graduation is required and if you have that certificate, this is a great opportunity for you to go and give the walk-in interview, right? And as for the remuneration is concerned, they will be given at the rate set by the government. Okay, and since it is a government college, I think your pay scale will be great. And general information for the candidate is given. Since the engagement is only temporary, it can be ended at any moment for any reason. So those who are staying in Odisha, for them it is a great chance. Attending the interview will not result in any TA compensation, and the candidates are required to come with necessary documents during time of interview. So if you are not doing any job as of now, you can go and have a chance, because sitting at home idle, it's better than you go and give interview. You might be selected, and there are बहुत सारे ऐसे colleges भी होता है. If you give the necessary, if your way of teaching is great, they may hire you for the longer term. And so important dates, again I'm repeating, date of walk-in interview is 17th, 18th, 19th and 20th June 2025, and venue will be Government Women's College Bhavani Patna, Odisha. So yes, it is a great opportunity for those who are looking out for the job, and this is a walk-in interview for guest faculties, and for the very first time they have not asked for the NET or the qualifications of JRF. So kindly, if you are sitting idle at home, and there's a great opportunity for you to go and give the interview. And yes, do let me know in the comment section if you have any doubt, any assistance you needed, and do let me know those who are gone for the examination and got selected. Okay, till then, and yes, for more such updates you can follow my channel. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and till then, take care, all the best. Bye bye.